So many times I talk about the Amrit Vela or Brahma Muhurat meditation. So what is so significant about that? So many people ask that. See, that time is extremely important, very, very important. Because first of all, your subconscious mind has spent the whole night doing all the rearrangement of the thought process that you had in your mind, and it's cool and calm. I mean, after a lot of struggle, it has done, and now it's very cool. So when you get up, the mind is relatively very much relaxed and cool, and at the same time, the universal energy at that time is very high, and it supports you in doing meditation. So that's the basic thing to start with, and all your angels, all the deities, all your spirit guides, they all are present in the higher dimensions, and they are waiting for you to start off, because most of the people are sleeping. Most, 90-95% people are sleeping. So very few people are awake and they are doing their task of connecting with the universe. So definitely the universe is very, very happy and very much you will feel connected to the universe. And that's the time to start. And you know what meditation is? Meditation is like calming down your mind, all the chattering is over, then you are just feel connected to the universe. And this connection is what is called meditation. When you are connected to the supreme source, you get so many, like just like a child meets his or her mother, and she loves her so much, and she all the miseries are over. So this is simply the connection with the supreme, the divine. Once you are connected, you will feel that light in your heart. You will feel the inner visions. You feel all the different virtues are building up inside you, and that's what the purpose of human life is. So, Brahma Muhurat, Amrit Vela, or the ambrosial hours, these are very, very important in a person's life. So you must wake up early, spend at least 2 to 3 hours for yourself. We people have been doing it early. I mean, starting with the 3 a.m. time period, and from 3 to 6 a.m. we are usually doing meditations, and we start different meditation. It's really, really very, very important. All the life as I'm living nowadays, I feel so much enlightened, and this is because of the previous uh, journey which I've spent in during those meditation times, and that all has happened in the those hours of the Amrit Vela or Brahma. So this it has contributed immensely in my life, and I really thankful to the Supreme Lord for blessing me with this divine ambrosial hours. So I suggest you seriously, you must grow, make sure that you never miss the Brahma Muhurt. I hope you understand that. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, and thank you very much.